Hi, good day. This is Judy of The Crafty in Me, and today I will show you a process video on how I made this monthly album using G45 Fashion Forward collection. So this collection has a 12 by 12 sheets that has different monthly cut-aparts. In this project, I cut all these cut-aparts just like what you see right now. For the base of my album, I use A4 black cardstocks, which is 8¼ by 11 3/4 inches, that I trim at 6½ inches in height. Then at the longer side, I scored it at 5 1/4 inches, 5½ inches, and 10½. Now for each monthly page, I use the different cut-aparts per sheet to make a flap per month. Next part is the time-lapse process of just showing you how I trim all the cut-aparts per month. After cutting them, I just glue them on my card base. And as for the cover, I use this autumn cut-apart and put the cloth that I cut, some sentiment, and paper flowers. As you can see, I even used the tin cut-aparts as decorations on the sides. Then I just made a band as a final enclosure for my album, and of course decorated with those encouraging sentiments from the G45 Fashion Forward collection sheets. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick process video. Thank you for watching and see you again soon. Bye!